So I'm going to remove the oil drain pan, this one over here, and it has like around 12 or 14 10mm bolts which we need to remove. Let's go ahead and remove them. It's all around the pan. We just got two more bolts which we can't reach. One bolt over there and one bolt here. You need to have a swivel socket to get to those two bolts. I think one or two more bolts. We need to remove this cover and then remove those two bolts as well. I think it's a flywheel cover. Yeah, this is that cover. So you need to remove this cover. Then you have access to two more bolts over there inside, so you need to remove them as well, and only after that the oil pan will come out. So those two bolts behind, you do need to use a swivel head, so I'm doing that, else it's difficult to access that. So one of the 10mm bolts from the oil pan was very difficult to get, the bolt that was close to the transmission. So how I got that out was by using my 3x8 socket wrench with an extension and a swivel head and then a 10mm socket, and only then you can get that 10mm out, and that was pretty difficult. Now I'm trying to free the pan, so that's the next step. So to get the oil pan out, you need to pry it out because it's RTV'd the whole way. So after a lot of prying, I got the oil pan out. It was a bit difficult. Now I need to clean this thoroughly with kerosene and WD-40 and also a blade. Just remove the whole thing, and yeah, we'll go on from there. I'll also be replacing the oil drain bolt. So I cleaned the top side of the oil pan thoroughly. I wiped it first with WD-40, then I used a blade, I used my nails, I removed all the RTV, and then finally I wiped it down with kerosene. So now I can place the oil pan back in place, but before that I need to apply RTV on the oil pan. So I'll be installing the new drain bolt plug on the oil pan, and the part number for that is 90341-12012. I also bought the washer for that. The part number for that is 904301-2031. So I'll install that before installing it into the engine. So the torque for the oil drain plug is 49 Newton meter. We'll just torque that right now. Yeah, stock tighten. Okay, we're going to apply the RTV.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Okay, let's go install it now. Pretty fast.
I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possible.
So for all the 10mm bolts and nuts for the oil pan, it's just 9 Newton meter, so don't forget that. So torque it down to 9 Newton meters.
My last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So we'll be installing the oil filter today, and I'm using the K&N oil filter. The part number is HP1003. So this is how the K&N oil filter looks like. Looks pretty good. We actually need to lubricate this, so I'll get some oil and lubricate this gasket or O-ring. For those of you who want to install the OEM Toyota's genuine oil filter, I'll leave the part number in the screen here for you. Just hand tight is enough. Yeah, that's it. What we're going to do is we're going to fill the engine with the engine oil. So I'm going to use fully synthetic, and our engine requires 4.4 liters. So I'm actually using Mobil Super fully synthetic engine oil 5W30, and this is an API SP grade engine oil which is compatible for our engines. This is the same oil that I use on my Lexus as well. So this is pretty good. So I poured in 4 liters of engine oil, and the balance 400 ml is going in. So that's it for this DIY vlog, where I removed and cleaned the engine oil pan and refilled the engine with the new engine oil. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.